Alright, early morning. Well, not really that early no more. Took the kids, took the boys to jiu-jitsu, let them, learn a few things, get some energy exerted, get the juices flowing. My wife is going out, and I'm gonna clean out the car so that it's nice and clean for her, so she's not, losing her mind when she gets in the car or whoever she may pick up. Just want her to have a clean, nice, peaceful space. Yeah. Alright, project clean the car is over. So yeah, I am going to be, going to be home with the kiddies. Probably gonna make a snack soon. Might make a quick store run so I can make a delectable snack for them. I called my mom's already to make sure I got the recipe right. And yeah, tap in with y'all later. Alright, so in the supermarket, I need to have some redemption. Made some sweet potato cornbread last week, and it didn't come out the way that I wanted it to, but in fairness, it was my first time making it, so I'm back for redemption. So I'm in here, I gotta grab, which aisle? I gotta grab the ingredients so I can make it for the second time, and I will be doing better this time for sure. Grab a couple things, get back to the crib. Basic ingredients, nothing super crazy, some flour, baking soda, sweet potatoes, eggs, a little bit of butter, some cinnamon, nutmeg, and let it cook. So yeah, I'm in here, let me grab my stuff, and I'll keep y'all posted. Alright, I'm just leaving, and something just came to me. I realize I'm at the age where I can't go in the store I can't go in the store and get just what I went for. I'm here now. I couldn't stand when my mother did that. I just had an aha moment. I'm at the age where I can't go. Y'all see the way I'm walking with this thing? Y'all see the little limp? My body's fine. It's the bags that I got. I'm at the age where I can't go in the store and get just what's on the list no more. This where we at. I think I need to call my mother and apologize. That's the mature thing to do. Alright, so cornbread is in commission. Got some Jiffy Cornbread mix. Don't judge me. First of all, I made it natural the first time. This time I'm just experimenting with something different. So, Jiffy Cornbread mix. Boom. And then I got the sweet potatoes boiling. Boom. And y'all gonna see the rest of the ingredients in a minute. Alright, so now I got the sweet potatoes, the mix, and I added some butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, all of that's in a mix. I'm about to put it in this pan right here that's lightly buttered, and we gonna make this sweet potato cornbread. Alright, we here. The oven has been prepped for 400. So I'm gonna bake this at 400 for maybe like 20-30 minutes. I ain't gonna even tell y'all what time. I'm gonna just put it in here until it's done. When done, meaning when you put it in, it comes out smooth. But there we go. We in there. Pow, pow, pow. Let's go. Alright, so this is what the cornbread looking like. Sweet potato cornbread. Just took it out fresh. Now I'm about to put this drizzle on here. This is honey butter. Alright. So I'm about to put the honey butter on one time for the one time. You know what I'm saying? Little honey butter. Little honey butter vibe. Honey butter. And then what I'm gonna do, hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna take the Yasmin one time. And I'm gonna just make a, just paint that joint on there, you know what I'm saying? Put that Yasmin on the Yasmin. You figure deal with me? We're gonna do the Yasmin. Gonna paintbrush that joint. One time for the Yasmin. And that's it, we good. I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. 5 or 10 minutes, cool down a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how this batch came out though, alright? So this is my second round. I'm gonna let y'all know how it came out. Alright, so I finally let it cool. So I'm about to hit a piece. I'm about to get real time reactions. Feel me? About to look in buttery. Looking smooth. Look at that. You see that? That's smooth. Hold on. This joint is dumb hot. I ain't gonna hold you. Yo, this joint is smooth. Look at that. It's buttery. Hold on, I'm about to hit this joint real quick. This yeah. I did some. It's definitely better. Second time than I did the first time. Definitely better. Yeah. Let me go take care of this real quick. I'll be back with y'all.